Okay, let's go find out what JJ's got going on today. What y'all got going on?
It ain't good. It ain't good. All right, midget. Where the Look right here. You gonna see. Whirl it over till I tell you to. It got piston. It got number 2. That ain't good. I knew it though when I seen it right there. That's and here's what I had. That don't make no sense because I was plenty safe enough. My maximum timing I had 32 degrees. My first kit I had 16 degrees pulling. My second kit I had 10 degrees pulling. So I was down track at what, 6 degrees? 6 degrees total timing. And most of the time I run 10 or 12. On Precious's Malibu, I got an 18 degrees down track. But now this is a 14 degree motor and that's a 24 degree motor. Let's check this other cylinder. Number 2 is always your hottest hole. And most of the time I run a fogger and I'll jet it down on this one. But I only got a plate on this one. Let's take this out and let's check this one. I ain't got a chance.
So what could we have
We don't gotta run until the 24th of July?
Yeah, 24th.
Okay, so we can change the motor. We just gotta find a motor.
How we gonna get? We're just gonna find one somewhere.
I got one back in Memphis. Hold on, let's check this other cylinder here. Or I might possibly get a piston with it. Let's just see.
Is it a lot of work to just put a piston, or would you be better off just put a hole in it?
No. Jesse, how long will it take you?
Just
crew. You gotta talk to her.
mechanic.
Yeah, you see the oil, look here. That don't make no sense.
Not
Pull that other plug out. Let me check. Who got a motor for sale? I'm trying to buy a motor. I need aluminum big block. I don't need nothing crazy. I need a 588, 590, something 632 aluminum big block. I need aluminum big block. I don't want it for free. I'm trying to buy it. I want a good deal. Anybody got aluminum big block for sale? I'm out here in Wyoming filming Fastest in America. I need a motor. So you reach us, tell them, give me your email, Pam. I'm serious.
My email?
I'll give our the email to get a hold of us and leave your number.
Street Racer jjdaboss@gmail.com.
One more time.
Street Racer jjdaboss@gmail.com.
All right, anybody got a motor? I need to buy a big block. I'm out here in Wyoming filming Fastest in America. I need a big block. Anybody got one for sale?
You can message us on the page too, and just put motor as your first word.
I want all aluminum. I don't want no steel block. I want an all aluminum big block. Preferably a 632. Let's check a second. Shelby, you ain't motors on anything?
Yeah, back from Memphis.
But it's 6 degrees timing, but I need to check. You know what I need to do? I need to check my boxes to make sure it is pulling it.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Just because it's.
You know, I got
Put
it
it
in
in
there.
and don't
Yeah, I
make
need
that-
it. When you get out here before I put this new motor in, we'll get out here and we'll click it, and I'll undo the fuel cylinder and I'll click it and make sure it actually is pulling. Well, that way we can jump the fuel down. Oh, well. I know how to do it. I actually didn't do it on this turtle.
Tim Davis says he's got a small block that's been going to 480s in the heat in Arizona.
Headers. How much is small block? If it's a big old truck now, this ain't no, there's a big old truck you talking about. Ole Heavy himself. And we might let Precious, she might take her Malibu, let Precious go first. While she go first, when she wins, and y'all run back, you and Jesse and all y'all swap the motor, because we're running at 8. Can y'all get that motor swap?
Okay. All we need is a chair.
A cherry picker. Come along.
Didn't pack that in the trailer?
Find a tree.
Find a tree. With a chain.
Yep. Chain.
No belief. Papa need a motor. You ain't got no motor, do you? Papa need a motor. Papa need a motor. Papa need a motor. If anybody got aluminum big block for sale, I'm trying to buy it for real. I ain't got the money to afford all them 8s, 900 inches, all that old crazy stuff. I don't got no sponsors, don't want none. I got cash money. I'm trying to buy one. The only sponsor I got is Miss Pam, and I only let her do so much. Now, if I just want a motor, Miss Pam will buy it for me, don't you believe it?
Yeah, I do believe it.
But I don't want it. I ain't gonna.
Anywhere around, she'll have it tonight.
If we just wanted this look panel, in case the world don't know, if we wanted a 900-inch motor, well, hey, huh? For 2 people, she gonna do it. We ain't gonna do it though. She's been saving her whole life, retirement and all that, so we ain't gonna make her do it on the motor. We'll just settle for a 632 something.
Something mild, huh?
Come on, Mo, I can't do all the work, son. How long will it take for us to get this motor in? Uh-oh, it might be a message. Might be somebody there. Got a bite. I got a bite. I got a bite. Uh-oh, that's in Iowa. That's in Iowa.
How far is Iowa?
Or not Iowa. Where'd we go to, Mo, me and you?
Ohio.
Oh, I'm sorry. Iowa.
Iowa.
What you got? What you got? I need aluminum block, y'all, because the truck heavy. I need to be light in the front. I'm going to be running on the street. Need to be aluminum block. Preferably at 24 degrees. Y'all think we burned something up in the heifer? We done burned up 2 motors out here. Come on, we're going to show you something, though. Come on. Let's go. We done got something back, though. All right. Mama, I need something. I need a motor. I done burned my motor up in my truck. See what we got to do. Look at this trailer here.
That's a nice trailer.
See what we got here. You didn't see that. We got to test it. And we burnt, just parked the heavy roll. It's got a 632 with SR20. Burned it up. Ain't no air out here. And this is where we got all these crazy electronics. This is where, and it tells them what to do. Let me get on that EM system. You're a lot uglier than me, so I'm strong. I'm good looking, but I'm strong. See if it'll crump. That's what my uncle said. See if it'll crump. If it'll crump, you might buy it. I let Mama Wayne, who passed away, in the early 90s, and he don't care about nothing. And I let him drive his car, and I said, Wayne, it's got a trans brake. He didn't know what a trans brake was. Small block in it then, and I ran a 570 little stop. He got in there, he run a 573 foot brake in it.
Uh-oh.
Had it a couple times. Hear that, Mama? Heifer back. Now we gotta not blow it up. Let me show y'all what we got in there too. Don't nobody like what I'm getting ready to show them. It is, what's the name of it?
IRS.
What?
IRS.
The IRS. Somehow, when you deal with the IRS, you get beat. Me, I don't make enough, so I don't have to worry about it. Ooh, we got the IRS. Out here getting ready. Dope boy gonna be driving the IRS. Ooh, what dope boy got in there, y'all? What dope boy got up under there? Dope boy ain't gonna tell you the truth what he got. And you know dope boy gonna steal the hill. What he gonna do?
Yeah, you already know you're gonna leave from the burnout. That look crazy.
Think it'll be good as your other motor?
Oh, God. I think it'll be alright.
The motor we got in there, is it's Ole Heavy's motor. It's a 632 with headhunters. I messed it up, but I had 300 passes on it, and it got smoking real bad, and I got it rebuilt. And when I put this motor I got in there, Chuck, he fixed it, and then I burnt Trisha's up, so I went back and put my motor out Ole Heavy in Trisha's car. So we're gonna see what she gonna do. Y'all holler at us if you got a motor. We need to buy a motor for real. We out in Casper, Wyoming. Let us know if y'all got a motor for sale. Anybody trying to sell a motor? We don't want nothing crazy. We ain't got no damn, no $30,000, $50,000, $80,000, $100,000 to spend. We don't even got no sense of calling us. We trying to buy us a motor for 10, 15, 20,000. Y'all let us know if you got it. Much love.